So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like. You guys, this looks so bomb. We have our street, we have our sauce on top, and we have our cream. So yeah, guys. And we also have our potatoes. This is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. So today we're going to be making some air fried potatoes with some stream. The first thing we're going to be doing is washing our hands. So you guys, now let's put in our spices. I'm going to be putting in the pepper salt.
Oh my god, it's all everywhere.
So you're going to be putting this is our ginger and garlic powder. You're going to be putting that.
Oh my god.
Good job, Skylar.
I think that's what we have now.
No, Skylar's doing it.
I'm not done. I'm not done with it.
Skylar, you're going to be putting inside some black.
Oh, it's me. Now I'm going to put the black pepper. I said it's my turn.
Okay, that's enough. I'm going to be putting inside our paprika.
Good.
I'm going to be putting inside. It's my turn, Shane.
That is my turn.
Let's put it.
It's my turn. It's my turn. This one is my turn. My turn. Go to me.
Now, Shane, you're going to be putting inside our paste.
Go pee. I can put that. I said me.
Go pee. Guys, now we're going to be putting inside our paste. That's enough. We're going to be putting inside our butter. Shane, no, we only put the paste. Dude, only put the paste. Stop, sorry.
No,
We put it.
I don't want to do anything. Let's trick that.
This. They're going to put inside our butter. On top of the butter. So you guys, now I'm going to put my potatoes inside our air fryer.
The potatoes too. Potatoes. Now we can make. Let's put the children. Children. Oh my god. I think it's so too. No. Let's close it. Let's close it, mommy. Wait. Let's close this once. And I got.
So you guys, I'm going to let my potato be there for 45 minutes and yeah.
Let's put it on.
Now we're going to be making the stream. So you guys, now we're going to be making our stream. And we're going to be washing it with some black and some vinegar. Let's open it.
Let's eat it.
Okay guys, now let's marinate our streams. The main one is our chipotle. And our second main one is our chili powder. So the first things first, I'm going to be putting it inside our chipotle. Make sure it hit it all on all of the streams, guys. Okay, that's enough. We did it all on the stream. That's my sister's turn. So we're going to be putting inside our chili pepper.
So you guys, I'm now going to put my chili pepper.
Don't too much because gonna get. Ooh. I don't really like spicy. Do you guys like spicy? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, next is me. I'm gonna be doing the paprika. No, my sister's gonna be doing it. I'm gonna be putting inside some black pepper. Now I'm gonna be putting in a pinch of salt.
Pinchy salt.
Like so small, guys. That's a dance. Make sure you don't put in too much places. Just put it like around. We're gonna be putting inside. Hey guys, now I'm gonna be putting inside my lime. Let's put it inside, guys. So this is how you. If you guys don't have this, please go buy it now because it's very good. So you open it like this, as you can see, and then you take your lime, and then put the lime this side on top of like this, and then you hold it, and then you push it. And with mine, I'm gonna do mine like everywhere. And by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're so grateful for 10,000 subscribers, guys. So grateful. And also, if you want to be a door engineer or cloud engineer, click the link below to register because my dad is going to be choosing 5 people. So you guys better stay tuned. Three, 2, 1, 0. I need it good side. So this is how it looks like. If you want to see our video, click in the cockpit and you press www and you see our video. And if you want to be a cloud engineer or a young engineer, please subscribe to our channel. So I think we're done. Look at this big string. I'm gonna put it down in the middle. I'm gonna make this into fried chicken. This looks so good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be washing our hands and we're gonna clean it out. Chicken. Guys, let's go wash. I got fried chicken. Look. Chicken. So you guys, now let's make our streams. The first things first, we're gonna be putting inside salted butter. We're gonna put inside our stream. Let my streams cook for 3 minutes on both sides. This is how my streams look like. It looks so bomb, guys, and yeah. And that to be there for 3 minutes on both sides. It smells so good. I'm gonna smell it again. Hey guys, my streams is ready, and this is how it looks like, guys. It looks so bomb, and yeah. Now I'm gonna put it on the plate. So you guys, I'm gonna let to be there the same time I just told you guys. We're gonna let to be there for 3 minutes on both sides. So you guys, while my streams is cooking, now let's go. Let me go show you my potatoes. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This looks so good, guys. This looks so bomb, guys. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna take it out, guys. So you guys, now let's make a sauce. The first things first, I'm gonna be chopping my onions. You guys know onions make you cry, but the onions don't. Perfect. I'm even matching my peppers. Then I'm going to put inside my avocados. So I'm gonna be mashing my eggs.
Can I mash it?
Hey guys, this is how my eggs and my avocado looks like. I'm gonna be putting inside my tomatoes and my onions. Now I'm gonna mix. Literally putting in my piercing. So you guys, now let's make our cream. The first thing first, I'm going to be putting 5 scoops of our mayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1, and 5. Let me put inside our mustard.
No, that's not good.
Let me open it. You guys don't know how to open mustard.
I do. Can I do a sauce? Can I do a sauce? Can I do that? Not pepper sauce.
You're doing the cup ketchup. Here. Put it inside.
This is.
Oh my.
This is. Let's see.
I'll be putting inside my vinegar and my lime. No. I'll be putting inside my lime.
Nah. This one comes back. I'll just mark it.
Good job, Shane. This is
After give me a trick.
Hey guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like, guys. Now, this guy's gonna pray and we're gonna eat.
I'm gonna piss
Amen.
it.
Amen. Amen. Bless my mommy, bless my big sister, bless me, bless every sister word. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever.
Amen.
Amen. Now let's eat. Eat. Shane, get up. It's time to eat.
Mommy, taste it.
Okay, I got all of them at once. Let's see.
And I do this.
I got after. You guys, this is a thumbs up. Only here, Shane. Cheers, guys.
We're gonna make it to the end. I was eating like 1,000 times in hell.
I'm gonna eat this like morning to the night.
And I learned
If you guys taste this is 100% so good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like our channel. We're so grateful. And bye guys.
Peace.
Peace.